Okay, today we're going to take a look at another new little Zippo. And this one came in the normal Zippo black box. And it says on the back of it, it says the Eye of Providence. And it's got the ridiculous California label on it. This was made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. So let's take a look at this. Nothing special about the insert, but this is the all-seeing eye. It's a kind of a Masonic or a Mason symbol. And you can see in each of the four corners the compass and the square in each of the corners. It's on kind of an eggshell white case, and this was made in, let's see, J of 18. Pretty good stampings. Good sound, steel insert. Now, if you don't know about the Masons, they are a benevolent society of brothers who do good works. And the Masonic eye right there symbolizes God's watchfulness over all of us and His taking care of the universe. And the square and compass are also symbols. Now the square and compass are the most widely used symbol of the Masons. The square symbolizes that the Masons must be square in all their relations with all men, and they must be honest. Okay, so let's take a look at what they use. This is the compass in that symbol right there. And with a compass, you can make perfect circles. And also in that little symbol right there is a square. You can make perfect squares with something like this. If you're into architecture, if you're into art or science or geometry, these are very handy symbols to have, or pieces of tools to have, especially in construction. So let's see if this Masonic Zippo can pass the drop test. Okay, so the all-seeing eye passes the drop test. And another thing about the all-seeing eye, you've probably seen it in another place, and it is on the $1 bill. You can see it's right there. One world order, Novus Ordo Seclorum. That means one world order. There's the all-seeing eye. So there it is. The all-seeing eye of the Masons. I think Zippo has a lighter design for just about everything these days. That's a good one. It'll go in my collection right next to the Dragon's Eye. And they both deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump. Oh, one other thing about Masons. They have a cool handshake. I don't remember how it goes. But yeah, they're a secret society, but they're a very open secret society. Knuckle bump.